Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Code YouTube channel where kids effortlessly learn how to code. If you're joining us for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. So today we'll be looking at variables in Scratch. I would like you to see a variable as container for storing different things. It's like having a cup that this moment can decide to put water. The next moment can just decide to put some juice. So let's say you have your cup that you can pour water. At some point you can drink from the cup, right? And when you drink from the cup, the water will reduce. And at some point you can just dispose the water and just have your empty cup, right? At some point you can just add to the water in the cup, right? This actually is changing the content. It's actually not changing the container itself, right? It's changing the content in the container. So that's what a variable implies. So variable is just there for storing value, and the value in the variable can change depending on the condition. I'm creating a new project now. I'm clicking on create. Alright, so we are in Scratch environment now. We'll be working on a game where we'll be busting balloons. So the first thing I want to do is get a nice backdrop. I'll look for party. Yes, you can see different balloons here, right? Different balloons. Remember, I want to bust balloon. So I want to delete the sprites and take a pencil sprite instead, like I used to bust my balloon. Alright, so I have my pencil sprite. Now I need some other balloons that I want to bust. I'm not busting these ones. These ones are just there for decoration. They're just with my backdrop for decoration. So I need the real balloons I want to bust. Those ones will be like my sprites. So I have two balloons I can bust. Um, three. I think I want one more. Four. We are playing a game where we bust balloon. And here is a rule. Don't bust the black balloon. They are all blues now. Uh, for this one, I can just rotate. Yeah. This is here. I think it's fine here. This is here. This is here. I think I should get one more for my black balloon. So for my black balloon, I will simply duplicate another balloon. Alright, so for this one, I want this direction change back. Yeah, I think 90 is fine. Yeah, that's fine. Now I want to change this color, the color of this balloon 5. So I'm coming to costume. I need to change the color to black. So to change this to black, I'll just click on it, come to fill, and just change the color to black. No, I think this is fine. Huh? Yeah, so this is black balloon. Don't touch the black balloon. Bust the other balloon. Leave the black balloon. That's the real of the game. Okay, so I need my balloons to fall. Yeah. I want to change the color of the other balloons. So we have a mix of other colors. So this one has blue. Let's change this to a different color. Okay. So balloon 1 is here. Balloon 2, I need to change balloon 2 to, let's see, purple. Balloon 2, balloon 4, balloon 5, balloon 3, balloon 1. Alright, so we have all our balloons already. So I'm starting from balloon 2 now. So when I click on the green flag, that's the event you're using. When green flag click, what should happen? So when green flag click, right, I need it to go to this location. So I'll check what is X and what is Y. So I need the go to block in the motion or in motion. Go to. You can see X is there already and Y has been filled already. So I need a forever block. So I need my forever block. What I need now is if it touches this pencil, then it should hide. So I need the if block inside my forever block. So in my sentence there is a touching. So I'll bring out this touching and change it from mouse pointer to pencil. When it touches the pencil, what should it do? It should hide. So touching pencil, then it should hide. After hiding, I need to wait 1 second. Then I need to go to this same XY. So go to X location and Y location. Then I need to show. Alright, see how that works. Oh, okay. So I need it to fall, right? For it to fall, I need to change Y. So in my forever block, I need to put change Y. There is change Y by. So I have change Y by. So I need to be subtracting the values of Y for it to come down. So I need to start subtracting the values of Y. So instead of 10, I'll put minus 10 there. So every time it will subtract the value of Y. Every time subtract the value of Y. So here is how that works. So you can see it's falling like that. Pam pam. So now let's see when it touches the pencil. Right, what happens? Here's the pencil. So it's hides, right? It touches the pencil, then it's hide. Yes. So when it touches the pencil, it's hide. Yes. That's what we want. Though I'll have to reduce the size of this pencil to maybe something really small. To just bust 20. Yeah, I think that's fair. So let's see it touches now. Should hide. Yeah. Can see it's a hide when it touches. So its eyes immediately touches the pencil. Another thing I can do is reduce this backdrop. This base, I want to reduce the base on group. I can then group. So I did control head and I grouped. And then yeah, you're fine. Going back to my codes now. I've worked on balloon 2. So I'll do the same thing for balloon 4, 5, 3, and 1. I'll do the same thing that I've done for balloon 2 for the other balloon. Alright, so now I've written the code for all the balloons. If you check the balloon, you can see the position for balloon 2, X and Y. You can see the X and Y position for balloon 4. You can see the X and Y position for balloons 5. You can see the X and Y position for balloon 3 and also for balloon 1. Right, you can see the X and Y position for each of them. When you click on the green flag, you can see them coming down, right? Balloon 5 keep going back up because it's touching the pen. So that's why it keeps going back up. All others are there because they're not touching the pen. What we want to do now is introduce our score variable. When you look at the left side, you can see variables here. So I'll click on it. I want to create a new variable. Make a variable. I will name my variable score. That's the name of our variable. Score, and it will work for all sprites. You can see for this sprite for all sprites. So I want it to apply to all the sprites. Okay, I want this sprite to keep increasing. Once this pen, right, touches each of the balloon, it should increase. Now let's go back to balloon 2. We have if touching, then hide, blah blah. So the first thing we do is if it touches the pencil, so it should change the variable by 1. So I'll change this variable. Instead of my variable, I'll have score. So change score by 1. Now for balloon 5, remember that the rule of the game states that The pen must not touch the black balloon. If it touches the black balloon, what should we do? You will change score by -1. We'll change score by -1. So for balloon 2, we have change score by 1. For balloon 4, change score by 1. For balloon 5, change score by -1. You can see that already. This guy is changing to -1 already. So for balloon 3, we change score by 1. And for balloon 1, we also change score by 1. Yeah, and we are done. Another thing we want to do is we want to control the movement of the pencil. So I'll go to the pencil now. So when green flag click, I actually want a forever block because I want this to happen forever, like forever. So I want it to go to wherever my mouse pointer is going. That's where I want it to. So go to mouse pointer. So instead of this random position, I'll change random position to mouse pointer. And here we are good to go. So I'll stop now and click on the green flag. So we can see we are busting up. So what happens when we click on? We can see that we can't see all of our balloons on the stage, right? So the last thing I will do is I'll bring in the show block first. So when I click on the green flag, I need the show block. Show. Yeah. So when you click on the green flag, I need all my balloons to show. Alright, so let's start that again. Avoid the black balloon, burst the other balloon. So we can actually do this, right? Let's say we have more than these balloons, right? Or remember that the other balloons on the stage are just decoration. Now to know the number of balloons we actually have, we can actually change the backdrop to something different, maybe a plain background. So let's say we have blue sky. Alright, so now I'm clicking on the green flag now. So I'm busting my balloons. Alright, so that is that about that, and that is the end of our game. Yeah. So another thing you can actually just do is instead of having all of them come at once, you can just use your weights so that they don't come, they just start dropping at the same time. So you can use your control weight. So let's say we have wait 1 second, so balloon 2. Wait 1 second. So before it starts dropping, so for balloon 2 and balloon 3, so we have wait 1 second for both of them. Others can start dropping immediately. Okay, so I'm clicking on the green flag now. So you can see the balloons dropping. You can start busting. So when you click on the green flag, the other thing that I forgot to mention is we need to reset the score to 0. On my pencil, I can just go to variables. So and choose set. Instead of my variable, right? I'll use set score. So anytime I start a new game, I am starting from 0. So when I click this, it's starting from 0. So I can start busting from 0, right? We can actually have more than this number of balloons on the stage, right? And to make the game very, very much interesting. I hope you get the concept of variables, how variables work, and how you can hide your sprites on the stage, how you can work with mouse pointer, for motion. So I know you must have learned a few other blocks today. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.